Hello, I'm Michael, and this is Mr. Melick. We're here cutting this wood here today. I'm going to show you how to use the handsaw. We're going to make sure we got a 90-degree angle here. Start cutting. Look good. You want to make sure you hold the piece of wood nice and so it doesn't vibrate when you start sawing on it.
Wait, are you sure you want to do that?
Why wouldn't I?
Looks good to me, I guess. Go for it.
Sounds good.
All right, I'll even help you hold it here. I'll hold it right here for you too, okay?
We got this.
Yeah,
We're doing good.
We're good.
What if I slip?
I don't know.
Just keep going?
Yeah, it might hurt a little bit.
I think it'll be fine.
We'll be good. It's
Okay.
all good. Yeah. Hopefully nothing bad happens.
This is getting real hard, Melick.
Guess we got a nurse in the building, right?
Melick, what do I do? This is
know.
real rough. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know. Let's just keep going. The teacher's not around.
Oh.
I got my hand. Oh, look at all the blood. Oh.
We're going to the nurse.
Yeah. Whew. It's a good thing I got back from the nurse there. Glad they got my arm fixed up. Well, because we couldn't get it with the saw, we're going to use a chisel now.
This tool has a nice little wedgie here, right here, so we're just going to get it right there in that groove we got already. And I'm going to hold it still while Melick takes our hammer.
Yeah, we got a good quality hammer right here.
We're going to smack it down in there and just
now
get it to split.
Remember, when I hit you, it's not going to hurt me any.
Yeah, it'll be fine. I'll just hold it good.
There we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Melick.
Oh, man. Oh, man. We'll be right back. We got to go to the nurse again.
So they couldn't save my hand. They sent me to the nurse, Miss Kim. She's a nice lady. I wanted to stay there, but they made me go to the ER. It wasn't good. It was not pleasant.
So please remember that if you are injured in class, you do need to take a friend and notify the teacher wherever they're at. I don't know where they're at right now. And take a friend and go to the nurse. Do not go to the nurse on your own, because if you pass out on the way there, it could be very bad. Thanks. Have a great day.